Hey guys, packaging new orders today. I have these homemade turmeric and rosemary soap that I started to make. So if you want to order yours, I'll link the info down below. Okay, so this is one order, 2 bonnets. We got this purple and green color. It's very pretty. And then this black one. I'm actually out of stock for this black one. So we're gonna go ahead and we're putting this one in a big bag because it's 2 bonnets and it's too big for the first bag. Can you see what I'm doing? Look like that. And we just need a business card. Here it is. I'll go ahead and write in the back and then I'll be back. Okay, here's the business card. And we're all set. This is the big thank you bag I use for my large orders. Yeah, so we only got 4 orders today. The soap, turmeric soap, baby bonnet, purple, and the 2 bonnets. So we're gonna go ahead and ship them to the customers.
I'm like a hype man. Come check it out. We have some treats.
And some goodies.
Help when you jump around.
Come get your soap. Thank you. Oh, my first event. First event. Get you a mask. Ooh. Thank you. More packaging. the UPS to drop off the packages. If you like this mask, I have a link down below to purchase it. It's one of my African print face masks, and it's reversible, so this side has a different print. And yeah, I'll link the description, not the description, but the Etsy shop below, and then you can go ahead and purchase the mask. Anyways, I'll be back.